Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Scraplist Sunday where Laura and I are going to use this gorgeous layout out for our Scraplift Sunday. I pulled out the Chamel collection Sparkle City because I am desperately trying to use this up. I barely have any embellishments left and I have all this paper and yeah. So I'm just going through, I'm going to pull out the two pieces that I want to use. On camera, I do show you kind of how I gesso just certain areas of the white paper. The white paper I'm using is Marshmallow from Basil just because I need more of a thicker cardstock because the amount of ink I use. Now, I pull out the Vicky Boutin pigment inks. And I'm going to tell you right now, I don't like how it looked. But I was able to cover up most of it and just have some of it peeking through like what she has. But I will say that just using it as regular with some water, it just doesn't blend well. And I knew that that was going to be a problem because I know that it's more pigment based for like using it in stencil form or with paste or something like that. But I truly wanted to see how well I could get it to work just as a watercolor type pigment. And it turns out okay, but just not what I expected. So I was going to use up two of these pinks and then I just end up using just the one because I keep it very bright and airy with the background because I keep all the pinks there and then I add the other colors with the stickers and with the stickers and the embellishments and all that stuff. I do pull out some of Paige Edmonds' Whimsical collection because the colors do match for the most part. But the themes, I will say that the themes don't work. So here it is. This is where I'm trying to like spread it. So I will say, you know, like how I'm able to spread it really quickly and easily with Shimmer's paints, you can't do it very well with this. It's like a pain. I will admit it's a pain. And then you still see the brush strokes. I kid you not, I gessoed this all the way through. And most of the time, when I do this technique, it doesn't, very seldom do you see the paint swatches afterwards, like the paint strokes. Now with this stuff, you see it. And it like drove me insane. So I will say that going forward, I know that with these color tones, I am definitely going to just be using them in my stencils, my stuff. So here I am. I am on my new my new camera. And I got the Samsung 21S, S or Edge, something like that. My other one did a croak, and it just wasn't videoing right, and all of this jazzy jazz stuff. So I was able to, the cool thing about the new phone now, I don't have to upload 35 million different videos when I have to stop and go. I can hit pause. Isn't that cool? I'm like, y'all should have done this a long time ago, but they probably did. It's just that my phone that I was filming on was the Samsung S8. So they went from the 8 to the 21, so I skipped quite a bit, okay? My phone was 4 or 5 years old when I got it, and who the heck knows how long the 8 was out prior to that, okay? But all in all, I really like how this is. The photos at the end is definitely on my new camera too. And it is very, the photos are very bright and vibrant, which is what the layout is. So I'm glad that I'm able to capture more of that now. And I feel like my videos are going to be a lot better quality too, because obviously the phone and everything that I've got the 3 camera lenses and all of this stuff, and I'm able to edit in the photo or in the video a little bit more for me, so I can film wide and close it in, which is awesome, fantastically awesome. So I thought that works out wonderful. Now, I am distressing everything. So the layout. The person that we picked, it was me that picked her. And let me get her exact name. I'm pulling it up here in a second. It is Jennifer Rambert. I'm going to link her down below. Oh my God, I just love her stuff. I love her. Her collections, her layouts are just gorgeous. I just love what they look like. So she is a scrapbooker, planner, all of this stuff. So make sure you go follow Secrets in Creation. I will link her down below. I just love her stuff. It's just gorgeous. I'm just going to link. I'm not even going to link directly to this one. I'm just going to link completely. And yep, that's what I'm going to do. Because every last layout of hers, I can't find a one that I don't, love. It is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And I cannot wait to get more inspired by her more and more. Because when I found her on Facebook, and then we found her, I found her on Facebook, but she does not, I don't think, let me see if she has a YouTube. If she has a YouTube, I'll link her down below too. But if not, let me see. I don't think she has. She may have, nope, it looks like she doesn't have, YouTube, which I wish she would, because I'd love to watch how she does her stuff. Anyway, anywho, back to the layout here. I'm all over the place. So I am just gluing and getting everything down and looking to see what I can fit in and kind of get everything correct. And I do off camera fussy cut out all this white stuff to Lovely Day, and I get this fixed or fit into that little nestle of collection, or little nestle that I make of this right there. And yeah, so I just love how this turns out. That top part, I will tell you, that top part up there just doesn't jive with me well, so I'm trying to fix it and hide it. It just abruptly ends. That's why I don't quite like the other mixed medium based stuff that I can do, like watercolor. It makes a watery edge. This, even though I put gesso down, it just stopped, and it drove me nuts. So I cover up as much as I possibly could of it, because I just don't like it. But here I am. I'm placing all these little bits and bobs all around, these stars, these hearts. I come in with some black splatters, the watercolored base black from Vicky Bouton as well. They're like the older stuff that she had. And I'm just placing all these little bits and bobs. Make sure that you go check out Laura, her take. Make sure you go check out Secret in Creations on Instagram for sure. I just love all of her creations. And of course, I love Laura. Laura and I have been doing this for many years now. We absolutely love this. We always come to find stuff to push us out of our limits, out of our norm. And yeah. Laura and I definitely know how to push each other so much with our stuff. So I absolutely love how this turns out. I'm just gluing down certain little bits and bobs, and I'm so glad now you can actually see my whole process and my layout, where before, like I said, my phone was just being dumb, okay? But I'm super excited for this. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you guys think. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations like this, design team layouts, 12x12s, and traveler's notebooks. I would love to have you as a subscriber, so if you could hit that like and subscribe button, that would help me out greatly. I am working on to 3,000 subscribers, and I would love to give away my major giveaway that I have for 3K. So I hope that you get inspired. Make sure that you always do some type of your hobby at least 15 minutes a day. I do at least 15 minutes every day. And yeah, so I'm rounding out with splatters. The still shots are coming up. I hope that you like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.